I can see 11 participants. Sneha, Ravid, Akul. Pranav Simple. Ashabat. Put your audios off. Why is it to be told every day? Once you have wished me, you can wish. You are supposed to put it off. Otherwise, class cannot continue.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning.
मैम अगर वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से कंटिन्यू करवाओगे ना?
देखते हैं, let everybody come, then I'll talk to you. Let everybody come. Put your audios off, children. I think I have to manage the account, otherwise you people can't be quiet. Ansh. Hurry up, children. I can see 17 participants. I think I should start the class.
मैम 17 के आगे बढ़े।
Wait. Sakshi, Lakshit, Jaskirat, Laksh, Sohan Das, Nija Swaroop, Bhavya Sethi, I can see 24 participants. I can see 24 participants.
मैं आप कर दो स्टार्ट.
Ansh is having problem in joining. I have allowed him 3-4 times, but he's not able to join. Problem is, as soon as I start my class, I'll get somebody in waiting room. Let me start. हाँ सक्षम आप बोलो. What were you saying?
मैम मैं बोल रहा था कि आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से कंटिन्यू करोगे ना एक्सरसाइज वाले. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.
4 से करेंगे. 3 में अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो पहले 3 डिस्कस करेंगे. Last time
मैम 3 समझाओ, थोड़ा टफ था.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
मैम की 3 एक बार फिर से समझा दो, थोड़ा सा टफ था.
जी भाई हम कह रहे थे आपको कि हम 3 भी करवा देंगे आपको. अगर आपको 3 चाहिए तो I'll tell you 3 also.
ओके मैम.
I am joining now. I am sharing screen with you. I hope you all can see the screen.
यस मैम.
Keep your audios off until unless it is required. Otherwise, class cannot continue properly. I start with again 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Here the problem basically is how to form a number. How to form number. That is the main problem. What we do is, we suppose the digit at 1's place to be x and digit at 10's place to be 9 minus x. Because the sum of the 2 digit was 9. Here the answer can be 18, 27, 36. I hope you all understood this meaning. Sum of the digits is 9. Is there anybody who has not understood the meaning of sum of the digits is 9? Divyansh, sum of the digits का मतलब समझ आया है? I have unmuted you. आपके sum of the digits का मतलब समझ आया है? Sum of the digits is 9.
मैम 10 सर 1
दोनों डिजिट्स को प्लस करते हैं तो 9 आना चाहिए. इसलिए हमने एक डिजिट को x सपोज किया और दूसरे डिजिट को 9 minus x सपोज किया. Suppose one digit as x and other digit as 9 minus x. Now the question comes, how number is to be formed? How number is to be formed? Number is formed by multiplying the digit at 10's place by 10 and the 1's place by 1 and add them up. Like 10 into 9 minus x plus x is equal to, now I solved it. I got it as 90 minus 9x. हाँ जी सक्षम बोलो.
मैम बस इक्वेशन फॉर्मेशन नहीं समझ आया. नंबर फॉर्म जो आपने लिखा है.
नंबर फॉर्म 60, मैंने आपको शायद लास्ट टाइम एग्जांपल दिया था. 63 का क्या मतलब होता है? 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1 expanded notation. Do you remember?
Yes ma'am.
This is what expanded notation is. If we know the 2 digits, how do we call them as, like if the number is 27, how do I call is 27? First digit is multiplied by 10 and one digit is multiplied by 1.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. In example, you have 3-digit questions also. They are very good. In example, you have 3-digit questions also. Don't worry, we'll do one more part of the same kind. Then 10th place, they are saying when we interchange the digits. मतलब जो 1st place पे digit था उसको मैं 10th place पे ले जाती हूँ और जो 10th place पे था उसको मैं 1st place पे ले जाती हूँ. और जैसे पहले नंबर फॉर्म किया था वैसे ही 10th place के digit को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 1st place के digit को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. So I got 9x plus 9. This is a changed number, interchanged number. Example देती हूँ जैसे 27 हो और 72, 19 हो 91. Interchange का मतलब
two numbers are 63 or 36.
That everybody knows. The problem is they did not understand how we got it. Bhavya, you will not get, you just don't need the answer. Unless you show me everything like this, you won't get a single mark. Okay? The problem was that I
Ma'am, I've done the solution. Can I show you? Ma'am, can I show you?
Beta, I understood that we all did last time. I sent you in Google Classroom, but some of you had problems, so I'm explaining it again.
Ma'am.
I'm explaining it again. Now the question says,
Okay, ma'am.
when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. इसका मतलब नए नंबर और पुराने नंबर में, ओरिजिनल नंबर में और न्यू नंबर में डिफरेंस है 27 का. न्यू नंबर बिगर है, ग्रेटर लिखा है तो न्यू नंबर बिगर है. न्यू नंबर को हमने LHS में लिखा और राइट साइड में ओल्ड नंबर में 27 को ऐड कर दिया. या फिर हम क्या करते, न्यू नंबर में से ओल्ड नंबर को ओरिजिनल नंबर को माइनस करते और आंसर लिखते 27. बोथ आर करेक्ट, both statements are correct. You'll get the same thing. Question was done, I sent you in Google Classroom. The problem was here only, how to form number. एक और करते हैं तब आपको अच्छे से समझ आएगा. Should I move to the next one? Show it by thumb if you all agree. Swamita, you joined late. I simply explained the previous day's last question. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
निजा समझ आया बेटा? बहुत इजी नहीं है ये. निजा?
Yes.
Let's see the same kind of question. ऐसा एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं डिजिट वाला. देखो, one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Save. How will we suppose these numbers, these digits?
Ma'am, 1 minute. 3x and x.
हाँ जी, एक डिजिट को हम x ले लेते हैं. सपोज मैं इसको x ले लेती हूँ और इसको ले लेती हूँ 3x. ठीक है? Anybody has any query? He or she can raise his hand.
Okay.
If anybody has any query, he or she can raise his hand. How I have chosen x and 3x. 2 डिजिट का नंबर है. पहला डिजिट दूसरे डिजिट से 3 टाइम्स है, या दूसरा डिजिट पहले डिजिट से 3 टाइम्स. इसमें ये नहीं लिखा हुआ.
मैम हमें भी ऐसे
सोहन बोलो, आपके बात आती नहीं है समझ. हाँ बोलो सोहन.
मैम हमें भी टेबल बना के करना है.
टेबल से इजी हो जाता है बेटा, इसलिए टेबल बनवाई थी. यू कैन सपोज आल्सो लेट द डिजिट एट 10th place be 3x, let the digit at 1st place be x. It's one and the same thing. Just to make your work little easier, I find this is easier. Then number formed. We'll write here again number formed. If I am doing it, means you have to do in the same way. If you feel like doing in writing in statements, you can write statements also. I'll multiply 10th place by 10 and 1st place by 1. 1 का कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता, इसलिए हम will not multiply. I'll get 30x plus x. What is 30x plus x? Somebody can raise his hand. What is 30x plus? हाँ जी Swamita.
Ma'am, 31.
Not like this. I'll mute
31x.
then. I will mute you people. Only the child whom I have asked, he or she will answer. Divyansh, bolo. Divyansh, you raised your hand, beta. Divyansh, sweetie, what will you get? 30x plus x. What is 30x plus x? Louder, please. Divyansh, you're speaking. What is 30x plus x? Sneha Manna, what is 30x plus x?
Ma'am 31x.
Very good. 31x. Hardik has also raised his hand. Hardik, बोलो बेटा.
मैम वही आंसर बता रहा था 31x.
अच्छा, आप क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में? Somebody can tell. Can you tell Hardik?
मैं बताऊं?
मैम इंटरचेंज द नंबर्स.
हाँ, we will interchange.
इंटरचेंज करेंगे.
यहाँ पे x लिख देंगे और यहाँ पर 3x लिख देंगे। ऐसे ही पहले कि जैसे x को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड मल्टीप्लाई x with 10 and multiply x with 10. I think I have to take the control from you. You people disturb the class if I give you control. Put your audios off once you have answered. Prabnoor will not mute himself. 100 times I have to tell him.
मैम मेरा आंसर आ गया मैम 13x।
Prabnoor, mute karo. I'll mute, otherwise there is no use. We can't take the class the way you people are behaving. Nobody will be able to see and nobody will be able to hear anything. Lot of disturbance comes from the back if you all keep your audios off. Audios on. Only videos can.
मैं बताऊं आगे?
बताओ।
मैम ओरिजिनल नंबर प्लस न्यू नंबर।
पहले ये तो बताओ न्यू नंबर और क्या आया, ये तो बताओ।
मैम 13x।
13x।
10x plus 3x.
हम 13x।
Very good. Now, wait.
मैम is equal to 88 44x is equal to 88x is 88 upon 44 which is x is equal to 2.
मैम 31x plus 88 equal 13x।
who is this? Prabnoor. Please do not
मैम नहीं, आप
start.
सक्षम ने बोला पहले वाला।
Don't start speaking like this without my permission. Now, according to question, the question says if you interchange and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. I think this is little easier than the previous one. I did not give any homework out of these questions. एक भी homework नहीं दिया आपको इसलिए. Now, can you solve? Can you solve?
Yes।
Solve it. सोहन बोलो.
मैम 2।
Ma'am, one.
Saksham, you're not Sohan?
Ma'am, 44x is equal to 88.
Okay, answer is fine. I thought you had some query. Everybody can find now.
No, ma'am, answer.
Everybody can find. If anybody is not able to find, it means he is not fit for class 8. And we have solved so many questions of much more difficult than these. So the digit at one's place we got. Digit at one's place we got.
X equals to
2।
Prabnoor, you will keep yourself unmute throughout the class. Prabnoor. The way you people do in the class. There are some children who always talk. You know there are online problems. There are online problems. We can't do it like this. Therefore, the digit at one's place
बड़ा गंदा सा आंसर आ रहा है।
is equal to 2. सक्षम आपको बोलना बेटा बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. And what is the digit at tens place? The digit at Nikhil, digit at what is the digit at tens place? Nikhil, what is the digit at tens place? Very good. Half of the class is sleeping. That's why they don't put their videos on. Dave.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Yes,
जी,
ma'am.
digit tens place निकाल दिया हमने. क्या आया?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6.
What is the number? Therefore,
Ma'am, 62.
very good. Therefore, the number is 62. Because you can check also. 62 plus 26 is 88. 66 plus 22 is 88. Anybody has any query in this question? You can ask me if anybody has any query.
Ma'am, 62 plus 26 हमें rough work
नहीं,
है
कुछ
ना?
नहीं करना है, सिर्फ चेक करने के लिए बता रहे हैं आपको. कुछ नहीं करना आपको पूछा ही नहीं है. आपको तो सिर्फ यही पूछा ओरिजिनल नंबर और व्हाट इज ओरिजिनल नंबर. आपको इतना ही करना है.
मैम और अगर ये इंटरचेंज नंबर पूछते तो 26 हो जाता ना।
यहाँ पर ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. 26 can also be the number. The number can be 26 also and 62 also because it is not mentioned that the tens place is bigger. It is not mentioned. The number can be 62 or 26 both.
Okay.
Both are correct. Can I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshabad, are you there in the class? I feel like I'm talking to boxes. I'm teaching the boxes. That's why I keep on saying 100 times. I say put your videos on.
मैम नंबर 26 हो सकता है.
हाँ हो सकता है 26 भी हो सकता है 62 भी हो सकता है. बोथ आर करेक्ट. अगर मैं यहाँ पर x ले लेती तो ये 3x हो जाता ना. If I would have taken this as x because it was not mentioned anywhere that one's place is bigger or tens place is bigger. ये कहीं पर mention नहीं है. ठीक है बेटा? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How come only Saksham is speaking all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
time? I want the answer from everybody. I have to teach the whole class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do next question. You may find it easier. Let's see. Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. Means Shobhu की mother की age Shobhu की present age से 6 times है. How should we suppose? Akul. How should we suppose? This supposition is very important. Akul.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, कैसे सपोज करेंगे?
मैम शोभो की मदर एज को x ले लेंगे.
पर तो शोभू की मदर की एज तो 6 टाइम्स है शोभू एज से. उल्टा नहीं बोल रहे हैं आप?
मैम शोभो की एज को x ले लेंगे.
हाँ जी फिर.
और
मैम शोभू की
into 6.
Shobhu's mother's age, mother's present age will be 6x. 6x. Put your audios off once you have answered. Don't keep it on and unnecessarily. It creates disturbance. You people know it very well. More than 1 year, 1 hour, 1.5 months have passed. You still behave same way. Hardik, bolo beta. Hardik, any query?
मैम वो आंसर दे रहा था. मैम आपने पूछा था अभी कि शोभ उसकी प्रेजेंट एज क्या ले.
Okay. Now, question is still left. They are saying Shobhu's age 5 years from now. What do you mean by 5 years from now? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, -5.
Ma'am, I'm gonna tell.
x plus 5.
Sohan bolo.
मैम +5.
I'm x plus 5.
हाँ जी, Shobhu's age.
मैम उसको थोड़ा स्क्रॉल डाउन कर दो.
After
मैम उसको स्क्रॉल डाउन
कर दिया. After 5 years. After
Ma'am, equation मिल गया.
5 years. X plus 5. Now they are saying Shobhu's age 5 years from now. मतलब ये वाली age will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. शोभू की जो 5 years के बाद की जो एज है वो उसकी मदर की प्रेजेंट एज का 1/3 है. Is the question clear to anybody? Who can help me? Raise your hand. If anybody knows how to frame statement, raise your hand. I want. आके बोलो.
मैम क्या
मैम वो शोभू की वो उसकी मदर की 1/3 है. तो अगर हम x plus 5 into 3 कर दें, मतलब 3 within bracket x plus 5 कर दें तो शोभू की मदर की एज आ जाएगी.
अच्छा, और या फिर हम ऐसे लिखें कि शोभू's 5 x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. No. हाँ जी, 1/3 of 6x. एक ही बात है. Is also right. Akib is also right. 3 times हो जाएगी या फिर शोभू's 5 years age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Both are correct. What do you get? Now can you all solve? I hope you all can solve. I'm leaving it. I'm moving to the next question. If no one, is there anybody who cannot solve, it means he is not fit for class 8. We have done so many questions. I'm moving to the next one. Now the difficulty level will become higher and higher. Let me read out. There is a rectangular
मैम मेरा
plot.
तो आंसर फ्रैक्शन में आ रहा है.
फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आएगा, आपने गलत किया. You don't know how to multiply.
मेरा 30 आ रहा है.
हाँ जी.
वाला है
5 और 30 आएगा. Percentages.
मैम x 5 है और 30 उसकी मदर की एज है.
Now they are saying there is a rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So let ratio वाले क्वेश्चन में तो आपको डायरेक्ट आपको बस x लगा देते हैं. Let the length of the plot be 11x and the breadth of the plot will become, what will the breadth? Breadth of the plot
4x.
4x.
मैम मैंने
What?
आंसर निकाल लिया.
Wait. Don't be in a hurry. Let me explain. It's not easy
I'm
question.
sure.
It's not easy. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Somebody has to tell me which concept we use for fencing the plot. Which concept we use?
perimeter
Perimeter. Who has to raise his hand? Prabhu, bolo. Perimeter is a concept. Perimeter is a concept we use to find fencing, but here the cost is given. Who is this? Put your audios off, children. Only raise your hand, then only I'll allow. It is creating disturbance at the back. Samita, bolo. Samita, you have any query?
No, ma'am. I want to tell for the next step.
What should we do further?
Ma'am, we will divide 75,000 by 100.
But somebody has to tell me why. Somebody has to tell me why.
Because we have to find the perimeter.
We need to find the perimeter. The cost is given per rupees 100 per meter. Cost of plot, cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 100 per meter is equal to rupees 75,000. So perimeter is equal to 75,000. This step was very important. Had there been 1,000 rupees per meter, it would have been divided by 1,000. We got the
I'm
answer
so good.
at 750 meter. This is the perimeter. Now, according to question, what is the formula for finding perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth.
12 plus.
2 into length plus breadth.
Is equal to 750. Please solve it further. Next हम वैसे भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. It is a difficult question. I need time for that.
मैम आ गया समझ. मैम आंसर आ गया.
750. I want everybody's participation. Half of the class is dummy. They're not speaking a single word. कनक समझ आ रहा है कुछ?
25 आ गया.
सक्षम चुप हो जाओ बिल्कुल.
25 आ रहा है.
Kanak, are you understanding? Is there? While looking at these boxes, I don't know whether Kanak is sitting there or not. Vaibhav, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jaskirat, Sakshi, Ragini, they're just coming and going. Without answering anything, Ansh, Laksh, आ रहे हैं और जा रहे हैं क्लास में बिना कुछ बोले, बिना कुछ समझे. It's so difficult to teach this way if you not participate properly. Solve
मैम
it till
मैंने
first
डायमेंशंस निकाल लिए.
Okay.
मैम
Hardik,
मैम आंसर मिल गया.
Hardik बोलो.
मैम वो पहले आंसर देना था.
हाँ बोलो, x की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है?
मैम x की वैल्यू 25.
25. So length of the plot is 11 into 25. What is 11 into 25? Somebody else will tell. Raise your hand.
275.
हम कैन
आके आपको बात समझ आती है? Somebody else will tell. Pranav.
Ma'am, 275.
275. And breadth of the plot. Audio off, please. सोहन कुछ बोल रहे थे बेटा?
मैम ने आंसर देना है 11 into 25 का, इसलिए
ठीक है, वो मैंने पूछ लिया प्रणव से ना.
हम
Now,
ब्रेथ तो 100 आ रहा है.
is there anybody in the class who has query in this question?
नो मैम.
The only problem, the only twist in the question was this 100. अगर ये 100 से डिवाइड नहीं करोगे तो पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. ये 2 0 यहाँ आ जाएंगे और 2 0 यहाँ आ जाएंगे, उससे 0 मिलेगा आपको.
ओके मैम.
चलाते जाओगे 0 मिलता है. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना, ये 100 पर मीटर दिया हुआ था. Accordingly you have to do. Okay? Accordingly we have to do. Now let me just check that everybody has done question number 6. Fifth completely. Fifth को complete कर लो. नया तो हम कर ही नहीं सकते अब. नया new question I cannot do. I cannot do new in case you not done fifth one. Please complete this one. Solve it.
मैम 5 और 30 आ रहा है. 5 शो उसकी एज और 30 मदर की एज.
हाँ जी, 5 और 30 आ जाएगा. Therefore, शोबोस पूछा क्या है? The present ages. हाँ जी, शोबोस present age is 5 years. His mother's age be 30 years. How come section was getting in fraction? I don't know. It doesn't know how to divide and multiply properly.
अरे मैम आ गया, अब सही आंसर आ गया. मैम पहले मैंने 3 को सबसे मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया था.
Very good. So we have done only 3 questions today. This was the revision one. Third was recapitulation. Fourth we did original question, new question, and then I did fifth question, then sixth one. Anybody has any query in these 3 questions which we did today?
नो मैम.
No ma'am.
And are you all sure? Because next difficulty level is keep on increasing. Difficulty level will keep on increasing. I want to do the remaining 4 next class in the last class. So that
मैम तो लास्ट के 3 क्वेश्चन है मैम, तो बहुत इजी है मैम. वैसे
सारे इजी लगते हैं मुझे तो बेटा. For me everything is easy. I have to think.
मैम लेकिन 7 बहुत मुश्किल है.
7 बहुत मुश्किल है. हाँ जी, 7 बहुत मुश्किल है. चलो देखते हैं. 7 नेक्स्ट टाइम ही करेंगे हम. 7th 8th 9th 10th नेक्स्ट टाइम कर पाएंगे तो फिर 2.6 और नेक्स्ट वीक में ही बेटा मैं आपका क्लास टेस्ट लूंगी इस चैप्टर का भी. ठीक है? I'll take class test from this chapter. That will also be a one objective type, but there you have to solve. You'll have to solve unless you solve properly. Not get any. Were you all able? Like, can I change the view? Can I change the view now? If you have copied this much?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम. यस मैम.
यस मैम.
हाँ जी children.
मैम टेस्ट कब होगा?
टेस्ट नेक्स्ट वीक में लेंगे आपका. ठीक है? एक और बात, Did you all try out questions I sent you, extra questions?
मैम 2 नहीं आ रहे थे ओपन रो वाले मैम वो।
बेटा फिर पूछते नहीं ना, ग्रुप में पूछ लिया करो मुझसे। You can ask me in group.
मैम लास्ट के 2 नहीं आ रहे थे।
If I feel they are very difficult, I tell in the class also, but group में भेज दिया करो मुझे। अब इस मोमेंट में मैं निकालूंगी तो जितने आज तक टाइम ही खत्म हो जाएगा। ठीक है?
मैम आज भेज दूंगा।
ठीक है। Either I will solve in the group and I will send you, or I will discuss in the class only with the whole class. ये देखो देव को 2 नहीं आ रहे तो I am 100% sure रागनी, साक्षी, अंश, लक्षित इन्होंने तो किए ही नहीं होंगे कुछ भी। They would not have tried even.
मैम जूनियर है उनकी फोटो खींच के भेज दे आपको।
हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर बोल रहे हैं तो भी मैं देख लूंगी। I have that in Google Classroom ना, I will see. Okay, the problem is right now if I take out, it won't be possible to do. If you tell me before, I can prepare. I can just think I will collect the question in the class. Questions को यहाँ पे लिख के रखूंगी अपने पास, ठीक है? या or I will solve the paper and I will send the pic of this in the group only. I will solve them in the group. Don't worry. The thing is, you should understand those questions. They are of good standard, good level. There, all the concepts are being taught. And who told you to keep your videos off because you don't wear uniforms? Divyansh is also not wearing uniform. You're not supposed to keep your videos off until and unless there is some network issue. Network issues mostly come because of audio. When all the audios are on, we can't go for the class. You won't be able to listen me. Videos need to be on. Videos on करने के लिए ही तो हमने ये क्लास रखी है ऑनलाइन, नहीं तो मैं आपको सॉल्यूशन तो नेट पे मिलता ही है बेटा सब कुछ. So that I am attached with you. I am teaching your class. I still taught last year, but there are some classes which I never taught. Still, I have a bond with them now. Now, did you find the class useful? Did you find the class useful? सब कुछ समझ आया? Were you able to understand?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Thank you. God bless you all.
मैम इसके बाद हम कौन सा चैप्टर करेंगे?
Chapter 3 करेंगे बेटा.
ओके मैम।
Okay, God bless you all.